That was terrible. What was that horrible noise? Just what's going on with this machine? Slipping and skipping. It's wore out, but where? It's not the chain, it's not the back, it's the front rings. Turns out we ride many, many kilometers and have lots of fun. Things wear out. That's what's happened here. But to see what's going on, let's get a closer look. Our front ring should be engaging the chain to transfer your mighty power to the rear hub. But when the teeth get worn out, there's going to be problems. We can use the roller from a chain to show what's going on. Here, we place the roller between the teeth and can see not so good. If we get a white background from our sticker card, we can see a little better. So we're really getting contact only, maybe 11 o'clock over to 1 o'clock. That's all the contact there is. But 1 is the norm. Let's go look at a different one and dare to compare. Presto, a different bike with a new chainring. Let's have a look. Zoom on in. Check it out. A much nicer fit. That is good contact. Maybe from 3 to 9 o'clock, but you can see much better fit. So these things can wear out. It's a 2x. It wears out. Hey, 1xs also wear out. Check this video for the 1x rumble. That's it. Ride safe as you wear out those parts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed Tech Tuesdays, check out our Repair Help video library, which has detailed guides to a wide variety of common bike maintenance procedures. And of course, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos from Park Tool.